Okay, so if your computer's running slow, try doing this. What a lot of people don't know is that Windows actually lets you mess with a lot of settings. I'm talking like how your text looks, how your windows cascade, stuff like that. So I'm gonna show you how to turn all that off and speed up your computer. So go to your PC like this, okay? And on the left side, just right click whatever. It looks like this. I don't know what it is for you, but for mine, it's this PC. Right click it, go to properties, scroll down a little bit, and here, advanced system settings. Click that, and then in performance right here. See, performance, you can mess with the visual effects, the processor scheduling, memory usage, yada, 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 okay? Just click the settings button, and then for the visual effects, you just fuck with this. Okay, go through it. Whatever you don't want, just uncheck them and then click apply. For me, all I have is the show thumbnails instead of icons, so I could see the pictures and shit. But yeah, that's it. Click apply, click OK, and you should see a significant boost. I know I need more space. I know I do. Okay, so don't worry about it.